Hey guys, today we're doing a video about slime, and first I'm going to be talking about what we have. So we have glasses, 2 glasses, and my brother has 1 glass because he doesn't play with glass. I'm a big sister. And we have clear glue, school clear glue, and we have crazy art glitter glue. And then we have this giant thing right here. Okay. So first we need the borax.
That's slime. Slime, put on mine.
Okay.
Enjoy?
Yes?
Okay.
Whoa.
Yeah.
I'm going to use a different color too because I want to make 2 different colors. It's going to be no, not. Oh, we have to do it. Oh, yeah. Yeah, you can do it. Good job. Okay, guys, I'm going to use another color. Close this one. Like that. Okay, so next color I'm going to use is this color. This color looks so rainbowy. I don't know what color this is, but it looks just great. Okay. Oh man, this closes well. Wow, amazing. Just a little bit of borax. Glue. We need glue for our slime.
Me.
Okay. Wait a sec, guys.
Oh, yay.
Okay, not too much, not too much.
A little bit.
Oh, the glue got on me. Okay, now I'm gonna mix. This is so fun. Liam, this is almost turning into slime, Liam. Good job. Keep on doing it. Yours is slime already, Liam. Wow, amazing.
I can do it.
Need help?
Yes. Do it.
Okay. You just gotta do it fast. Oh, you're almost making slime. You got it. Slime is ready. Okay, Liam. I put it a little bit more, Liam, so he had just a tiny bit.
I'm getting fast.
Guys, mine is almost done.
I'm making,
sorry.
Look, it's making purple.
It's making blue, Liam. It's not purple.
Yes, it's purple too.
So we add a little bit more borax. Oh, more glue, guys. I forgot. Gotta keep on getting glue inside because it's like borax inside.
Give me. Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
Mine is almost done. Don't put too much. Just put a little bit, a tiny bit. My slime now. Okay. Mine is kind of wet, guys. There's slime here if you want to play.
Making popcorn. Yeah.
He's a mess. That's not how you play with slime. You sure you need help? He's weird, guys. Now you're talking in videos. That's good.
Yeah.
Because last time you never talked in videos. Right, Liam? You never talk in videos, Liam.
Yeah. Yay.
Guys, make sure you check out Little Bro School Stuff. He
Yeah.
has a video.
Purple. No, purple.
Yeah. Okay, so we didn't even say nothing in this video. Okay. So
Nine. Put in your hands.
I can't play with my hands. Yeah, it still works. So guys, hit the bell to get more notifications.
It's making y'all.
Okay.
It's
Okay. Guys, make sure to hit the
Mommy.
bell and
Oh,
subscribe our
yellow.
channel.
Okay.
Uh, you, that's not how you play with slime, Liam. It's not. Okay, make sure you hit the bell and to get notifications, and make sure to subscribe our channel and hit a like and then comment down below if you like Liam's slime or my slime. Okay.
Yeah.
Don't put too much in because you're going to be making a mess.
You're putting so much color. I can't use it because where is this? No, I don't use it. Oh, yeah.
Enjoy this video and make sure to like which slime do you like better, because I think mine I can't even make a mess. This is Liam's side right here. I didn't even make no mess. This is my side right here. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and like and subscribe and comment down below if you want me to do more DIYs and more other stuff. So about Liam's slime, he just washed his hands again. What a mess of this slime. I get kind of messy. It's wet right there. No more colors. That's too much.
No.
Uh,
Bye.
Bye.